Hi everyone, welcome back. In the sales report folder, I have 2024 sales data. I connected it to Power BI using a folder connection and created simple current month sales report broken down by country and city. At the top of this report, I have used a text box to display a static header sales report for December 2024. I also have two cards for the month of December and for the year 2024. Now, if I add the 2025 sales data and refresh Power BI, all visuals will refresh as expected, except for the header. That's because it's just a static test. To make the header dynamic, we need to create a couple of DAX measures. Let's start with the first one. First, we will find the maximum year in the data for the current year. Then we will create a variable to find the current month, checking if the sales data year matches the current year. Next, we will create a new measure called report underscore headers. We will define two variables, one for the current month and one for the current year. In the return statement, we will use the concatenate function to join the month and year. For the date, we will set the year to the current year, the month to the current month, and we will use one for the day. We will format it using this way. Add empty string for space in between month and year, and then append the current year. Now go to the title in Power BI, click on conditional formatting, and select the new measure for the field value. Hit OK. Yes, the header is now dynamically showing the current month and year. If you want the month to appear in uppercase, you can use upper function. Also add sales report for as a string. That's it. You have now a dynamic header that update automatically based on the current month and year. Thanks for watching. If you have any question or feedback, please add your comment below. If you need help with the Power BI implementation or training, feel free to reach out. I would love to connect and assist you. Bye bye.